Good afternoon, teacher. Present my activity. What would have happened if foreign? Present Emilia Duran. What would have happened if my negative audit was previous work in the 2010? I had agreement with my boss and to hype up my hub. If I have not argument with my boss, I would have maintained my hub. It and I haven't up. I would have had a promote. What would have happened if the argument with my boss was by differences of opinion and we did not arrive at a solution? That I was disappointed with my boss' attitude and resigned. If I haven't, I would have been friend on my boss. These experiences generated a lot of change in my life because I had a new job, I had a new friends, I had a new girlfriend, I have no dreams. I regretted not being tolerant on the sentence, and I had been tolerant with code had resolved the differences. I currently work at another company and I'm very happy there because I can study at both at motorcycle. Thank you, teacher.